shifting really easy. So there you go, guys, the 2022 X Pro. I got a flat tire in the back already. I just pump it up in the last 5 minutes, but I got some more tubes coming. I got to go to work this week, so it's whatever. It's fun to ride. You really got to pull hard at my weight to pop a wheelie in second gear. First gear, it's very short and very snappy, so it's kind of scary to do it in the first gear. You can get it about halfway up, especially for a beginner like me. So I got a 17 tooth sprocket coming in the mail. That one's a 15, so that'll make my first gear a little taller, so maybe it'd be easier to do in the first gear. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a great rest of your weekend, and hopefully this work week will go by real fast so we can end up right back here rolling with the big dogs.